Welcome to the Heroes Initiative powered by IPCA. These heroes are instrumental in improving quality of life of the patients. Today we have one such hero who has improved life of tens and thousands of such patients. Doctor, we welcome you to the Heroes Initiative by IPCA. So doctor, let's start with the dry eye, our family problem. My first question for you, what are the common symptoms of dry eye and how can I tell if my family members might be suffering from it, doctor?
Dry eye and especially post-COVID has become a very common thing. Because after COVID, we have been on screen for so long. We have been in a room and our screen time has increased a lot. We are doing work from home as well. So the screen, the devices using since the duration of these devices are long. So because of that, we are having dry eyes, and dry eyes has become an epidemic these days. Dry eyes में most commonly we are having itching और irritation सी होती है. We don't feel like opening the eyes. थोड़ी सी redness होती है, हमको लगता है कि थोड़ी सी हमारी eyes red रह रही हैं. ग्रिटीनेस होता है, सैंड पेपर लाइक फीलिंग होता है, ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ चुभ रहा है आंख में. इट इज अनकंफर्टेबल. एंड जब भी हम स्क्रीन पे होते हैं, स्क्रीन पे रहने से वी आर हैविंग ड्राई आईज और हमारे को स्क्रीन देखने में कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील होता है. मतलब हमें देखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन एक कंफर्ट जोन जो है वो कंफर्ट जोन हैज बीन लॉस्ट. एंड दीज आर द मेन थिंग्स दैट वी कैन थिंक कि इट हैज the person is having dry eye. And this dry eye is not only because of screen. We are staying more indoors, and because of which we are most of the time in ACs. This air conditioning is not air humidification. Air conditioning is something different and air humidifiers are different. So air conditioning तो होती है, room तो ठंडा होता है, पर ये जो रूम ठंडा होता है ये डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली हमारी आईज में ड्राई आईज क्रिएट करता है. एज इन जब मैं भी आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो फील दैट माई आईज आर नॉट ब्लिंकिंग एज फ्रीक्वेंटली एज दे शुड. एंड दिस इज बिकॉज कि हम लोग व्हेनेवर वी आर ऑन स्क्रीन आवर ब्लिंक रेट रिड्यूसेस. जब भी हमारा ब्लिंक रेट रिड्यूस होता है, देन द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ड्राई आई अराइजेस. सो द मेन, अगेन इन द क्रक्स आई वुड से, the main features of dry eye that you feel, and if you feel anybody in the family, then definitely it's a dry eye problem and we have to get a dry eye test done. So these features are itching and redness in the eyes, grittiness. When you blink, you feel comfortable, and whenever you are on screen, you are having a little discomfort. Discomfort is there, but vision still is clear. So these are the things that are accompanying dry eye. And if anybody is having dry eye or his screen time is more than 5 hours, he definitely should get a dry eye test done.
Are there any lifestyle changes or home remedies that can help manage dry eye symptoms for my family?
Definitely. There are definite lifestyle changes that have to be considered, and we should inculcate these habits in our children also. क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे, we have been half our age is without screen, but now we have started using screen. But हमारे बच्चे have started using screen since they are 5 years, 2 years, 3 years old. So हमें अगर हम उनके हैबिट में उनकी आदतें ये डाल देंगे तो उनको ये ड्राई आई एंड ये प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होंगी. So these lifestyle changes that I would suggest is, first and foremost is to follow a 20-20-20 rule. This 20-20-20 rule का क्या मतलब है? For every 20 minutes of screen work, 20 मिनट जब भी आप स्क्रीन पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो only for 20 seconds you have to look 20 feet apart. Means that after 20 minutes of screen work, desktop work, you have to take a break. And only for 20 seconds, you don't have to get up from your desk, but only for 20 seconds, you have to look outside in the sky through any window of your office. Even the kids, whenever they are on desktop, we should inculcate a habit कि जैसे after every 20 minutes they are having an ad break in the TV also. So like that, on those ad breaks they should close their eyes and they don't have to look when they are when the ad is going on. Similarly, adults, we have to follow a 20-20-20 rule, and we have to look. Second important thing is we have to look far. To look far, it is very important because these days we are on screen and we are in a room, so the children are not developing vision for far, and that is also causing a big problem. So we have to remain outside in the natural environment. जब भी हम नेचर के क्लोज रहेंगे, नेचर के साथ में रहेंगे, तो ड्राई आई की प्रॉब्लम्स कम होंगी, क्योंकि हम जो है एसी के साथ में नहीं है. एसीज, कूलर and all the fan, they should not come on your face. They should be adjusted in such a way that they are coming from behind. So हमको बच्चों का रूम इस तरीके से डेवलप करना है, बच्चों की स्टडी टेबल इस तरीके से डेवलप करनी है कि उनके सामने एक विंडो ज़रूर हो, एंड जो भी एसीज एंड कूलर्स लगे हैं वो एसीज एंड कूलर्स उनके बैक साइड से आए, वो डायरेक्टली उनके फेस पे ना आए. So these are the things that if we consider, and we should start using air humidifiers also if possible at our home. So these are the things that if we do, it will prevent dry eye.
Can dry eyes lead to more serious eye conditions if it is left untreated? And what kind of preventive measures should we take, doctor?
Yes. So dry eye, initially it is only a discomfort. And I would say that the recent studies are saying that 80% of the people who are on screen are having some level of discomfort, and that is because of dry eye. So 80% is a big thing. And in Indian teens even, approximately 40% of the Indian teens are addicted to, are attached to screen for more than 5 hours, and they are having this discomfort. So this discomfort is definitely dry eye, and we should have to take precautions, and so that these things do not develop. For that, one thing, the most important thing is that we have to follow 20-20-20 rule. Another thing that I would say is that we have to inculcate a habit of blinking. Like we are talking together, and we should blink. It should be it should be something like that. Everybody should see each other and blink. And when we'll blink, then the dry eye doesn't develop. The eye itself helps in creating a tear film, natural tear film. And another thing that is very important, because we are in ACs, we do not drink water much now. Now we have to make it a habit to stay hydrated. When we will stay hydrated, our eyes will also be hydrated. So these are the things that are very important for us to inculcate in our lifestyles. And also, the dry eye initially is only discomfort, but later on, it can cause blurring of vision. It can cause chronic eye inflammation, and it can lead to redness in the eyes. We can have eye infections because of it. And later, we can have abrasions and loss of vision also. So dry eye, though it is only discomfort in our eyes, but can lead to serious complications. So we have to inculcate these few lifestyle changes with us so that we can have a very good and healthy eyes forever.
So doctor, your expertise and insights on dry eye, a family problem, are really invaluable to this initiative, and we believe your participation will greatly benefit the patients.